Ladies and gentlemen, this is African Walk. Remember, we always say that, you know what? Our main motto comes from Bob Marley, one love. We are a people who love to share love in the world because we feel that if we come together, we can change the world. Also remember, out of many, one people. As an African Walk, we are saying our main aim is to ensure that all Africans come together, both in the continent and outside of the continent. Now, many people have been telling me, you know what, why are you talking about Jamaica? The good thing is that Jamaicans have told me, brother, preach, brother, go ahead, brother, talk about us. And to all my Jamaicans who are seeing this, talking about this, I appreciate you guys. Now today, I decided to write, not to write, I like that. I decided to write a lot of things on the paper. I'm gonna give you some of the reasons. I did it the last time, but I'm gonna do it again so that those who hate us, the bad-minded people, can feel what they like, but we are going to speak about Jamaica. Here with me, on this paper, I've got 9 reasons as to why I love Jamaica. Number 1, Jamaicans are not ashamed to identify with Africans. They've never been ashamed to identify with Africans. Look at their songs, they love Africa. You look at their culture, they love Africa. Not once, not twice, not thrice, but times without numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, I will speak about Jamaicans because they love us as a people. They're not ashamed to associate with us. They love us so much. And any person who is trying to divide us with the Caribbean, especially Jamaica, we're not going to tolerate that. And I've written it here. Jamaicans love us so much. Africans, Kenya, Congo, Uganda, Tanzania. Let me tell you the truth. These people from the Caribbean, the small country that has influenced the world, they love us so much. So let nobody lie to you. Jamaicans love us so much. And that is the only country that has always been talking about Africa. Africa, Africa. So they are not ashamed. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go on. I like the Jamaican vibe. I like the Jamaican vibe. I like the Jamaican vibe. Number 2, supporting Africa. Most of Jamaicans have always been supporting Africa. Trust me, they feel like Africans. The vibe is Africa. The blood is Africa. Whatever they do, they always talk one love, Mama Africa. Look at Burning Spear. He speaks about repatriation, going back to Africa, going back to home. Look at culture. He speaks about Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. So you know what? Whether you like it or not, whether you hate us, whether you love us, I will never stop talking about Jamaica. Trenchtown, Portland, Kingston, Portmore, St. Elizabeth, St. Catherine, Spanish Town. I'm in love with Jamaica because you know what? They love us. They're always supporting Africa, talking about Africa. And you know what? I'm an African. Look at this surrounding. Look at this surrounding. There are people who normally talk about negative things about Africa, but Jamaica, they will never. Let's go ahead. YouTubers. Most of our YouTubers, when they go to Jamaica, they are welcome. Look at D Mwango, Sean Arwa, Wadi Maya, African Tigress. They've always been welcome. They've always been welcome. Say, oh, come, my brother, come, my brother. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. All the African YouTubers, whenever they come to Jamaica, they're welcome. And you know what? D Mwango said it clearly, that she has never felt in love the way she feels in Jamaica. And so all our African YouTubers, they go to Jamaica and they come with positive vibes. They come with positive vibes, and you like that. So if you think that I'm going to stop talking about Jamaica, I'm not going to stop talking about them, because our African YouTubers, they are loved. And as an African, when I see my people are being welcome in Jamaica, I feel good, man. I feel good, and I feel good. So because of that, I shall never, and I don't expect to stop talking about Jamaica. Another thing, artists. Come my brother, come over here. Look at this.
How
do you see it?
How will?
How do you see it?
How will?
Another thing,
How
Jamaicans always support Africa. Trust me, they don't stop supporting Africa. You know what? They are artists. Tulia. The artists, all the musicians, Burning Spear, culture, Bob Marley, they only support Africa. And so as an African son, as an African man, the day you'll find me not speaking about Jamaica, I don't think Jamaica, land of hoods and waters.
Wagwan Jamaica.
Wagwan Jamaica.
Wagwan Jamaica.
Another one. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a competition. Please, it's not a competition. We have a lot of countries in the world. We've got Afghanistan, Pakistan. You know, we've got a lot of areas like Europe. If you want to speak about any country, you are free. As for me, I'm going to talk about Jamaica. So it's not about competition. I fell in love with Jamaica. So give me my time to talk about this country. Before, people used to talk about Europe. You guys had no problem. People used to talk about Australia. You had no problem. But once I started talking about Jamaica, you're like, why are you talking about Jamaica? Why are you talking about Jamaica? You're going to be shocked. Because you know what? Reggae cannot be stopped. I'm not going to stop talking about Jamaica until the whole world realize. Come on, brother, come on, brother. Until the whole world realize what Jamaica is all about. The beautiful beaches, the beautiful people, the jack food, reggae, dancehall. I told you rap was invented in Jamaica until the world realized that Jamaica are the kings, the queens of entertainment. Until the world realized that Jamaica needs to be the best country. Can I ask a question? Imagine if Jamaica was occupying like a quarter of the United States. A little country, but they have affected the whole world. They have affected the whole world. Come my brother, let's show them. A little country has affected the whole world.
Speak, brother, speak.
Can I speak?
Speak.
Can I preach?
Speak.
Can I talk about Jah?
Do what you do, bro.
Yeah, all right.
That's what I'm talking about.
A small country in the Caribbean has influenced the whole world.
Yeah.
Martin Luther was influenced by Jamaica.
Black.
Malcolm X
Black.
was influenced by Martin Luther. All right?
Black.
The person who wrote James Bond was influenced by Jamaica. And it's a small country. What about if it was a big country?
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are not stopping talking about Jamaica. Today I wrote everything here. Another thing. Love is blind. Say it again, brother. Love is
blind.
Love is
blind.
I fall in love with Jamaica. And I'm in love. And I'm blind right now.
We're doing this.
So if you think that I'm going to stop talking about it, you are wrong. I'm in love.
Yeah.
I'm in love with Kingston. I'm in love with Portmore. I'm in love with Portland. I'm in love with Ocho Rios. I'm in love with the people there. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this channel, if you think that we're going to stop, you are wrong. But you know, some of you, they keep on amazing me. They come to criticize me, yet they're watching. We've got a lot of channels talking about a lot of things. If you don't like listening about Jamaica, you're free to listen to other channels. But the people, they just want to listen and criticize. All right. Back to Africa. Come on, brother. Can you tell me, just a minute. Can you tell me, in the whole world, which country speaks about back to Africa? Tell me, my brother.
I'm a simple man.
Is it not Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Is it not Jamaica?
I'm a simple
This is the country that talks about repatriation, going back to Africa, going back to the roots, going back to Ghana, Nigeria, Lesotho, Kenya, Uganda. Jamaica love Africa. So I am going to know what to appreciate them. My fellow Jamaicans, it's your time now to relax. We Africans are going to fight for you. We Africans are going to advertise your country. Jamaica is the most beautiful country, and the world has to know this. Ladies and gentlemen, we're not going to stop talking about Jamaica. Come on, brother. Let's show them around.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Look at this. Show them.
It's a COVID.
Another one. Content, trust. You know, most of Jamaicans, they tell me, brother, speak about us. They trust me with their content, with their country. Tell me which country is going to trust an African son with their content. I mean, with the way of life. They're telling me, brother, talk about us, preach about us. I love the fact that Jamaicans have entrusted me. They want me to talk about their country. They've welcomed me. They've told me, come. The media will not tell you that. They're not going to tell you how humble Jamaicans are. They have their intention. You know why? Because Jamaicans don't fear. Remember I told you that fear is a multi-billion industry. And the Matrix want people to fear. But they've realized that Jamaicans don't fear. And that's why they're spreading negative issues, negative rumors. But we're here to speak about Jamaica. And I love Jamaicans because they've entrusted me with their content and their country. Let's go ahead, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Let's go ahead.
That's how we do.
The last one. The last one. Do you know Conscious, my brother?
Uh-huh.
Do you know Conscious? Do you know Morgan Heritage?
Morgan Heritage.
Morgan Heritage and Conscious. They've come to Kenya severally. And in their interview, Conscious, let me start with Conscious. He said, there is no any beautiful place like Kenya. There is no any beautiful place like Kenya. So I'm going to support them because Conscious has supported us. Morgan Heritage came to Kenya and bought a land. Ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica has influenced us. And we're always going to speak about one love and one people. We're here to spread the beautiful things about Africa and Caribbean. We are a people who love peace. We are a people who love unity. We are a people who are against oppression, whichever form of oppression, political oppression, social oppression. We want the whole world to feel good. And I'm gonna talk about Jamaica because they have showed us that the world needs unity. Ladies and gentlemen, we're happy. Today we are ending our live, but before we end, just show them how this place is good, man. So we as African people,
yeah, man,
come to this place.
We got it.
It's one of our chilling spots.
Our chilling
and we
spot.
like it. So when you think that Africans, still living in the forest,
we got
these are
the
the places we go to.
Yeah, the most time, the Camaros,
listen to me.
The GTO.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
The media is gonna lie to you that Africans are living in the forest. The media is gonna lie to you that we're still living in those areas. But the reality,
we don't do that.
They're not gonna show you this.
We don't do that.
So you know what? It's time for we Africans to come out
and
show you how the world is.
Yeah.
And we're telling you, one love, my people. Out of many.
One speaking,
out of
brother.
many, we are one.
Speak, brother. Speak.
Out of many,
speak,
we are
brother.
one, man.
Speak.
It's love, man.
Yeah.
And if the whole world
100.
can come together as a people,
100.
we can make a lot, man.
Hallelujah.
Why are we hating on each other?
Amen.
Why are we hating on each other?
We talking.
Remember Bob Marley song?
Speak.
One love. Let's go. One love. Let's get together and feel alright. Say again. One love.
One love.
Say again.
Let's get together and feel alright.
Listen. Bunny Spears say, hey.
Hey.
Tearing.
Hey.
Tearing. And so they want us to be
stupid. They want us to be stupid.
Aha! Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
They know that I know.
No.
Tearing.
They know that we know. Aha!
I love you guys.
We love you too, man.
Let's show them.
Yeah.
Let's show them, man.
Yeah, we got them Corvettes. We got the Mustangs with the Camaro SS right here. You know what I'm saying? We got the Ferraris. We pop it.
All right.
Camaro SS.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I said, African Walk, our aim is to ensure that we as a people, we come together. Africans, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Nigeria, South Africa, let us unite with the Caribbeans, with our brothers in American, with our brothers in Britain, with our brothers in Canada, Jamaicans diaspora. I love you guys. Let us come together as a people, and once we are together, nothing can separate us. No. Let us remember our legends, Marcus Garvey, who fought hard for us to be free. Let us remember Peter Tosh, Bob Marley, and the Wailers as a whole. For now, I love you guys. Bye-bye. For now, I love you guys. Let's tell them bye-bye. And then I have a Kenyan friend of mine. Bro, come. This is a Kenyan friend. I met him, and he told me that he has subscribed to my channel. Bro, I've always been talking about Africans being united. Do you support it?
Yes, I support it.
Do you think we should be one? Like this guy is from another tribe, I'm from another tribe. But we say one love. As Africans, we need to be together. So
African work.
Can you tell me any Jamaican artist that you know?
Richie Spice.
Richie Spice.
Boom.
Please, Scratch Berry.
Uh-huh.
Anthony B.
Peter Tosh. Capliton.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you.
Cabriton.
Okay, dance on. We have got Shaggy,
Shabarangs,
Kingston, or Shabarangs, right?
Ninja
Man. No, Ninja Man is an artist.
Yeah. Elephant Man.
Gully Creeper, you remember?
Gully.
Don't forget Vibes Cartel. Don't forget
Bado Gully for life, Gully side. Good
Okay.
inside.
We are so hard.
Ah.
Sean Paul.
Sean Paul.
Sean Paul.
Sean Paul sang which song?
Ha, ha,
The
ha.
song of Sean Paul. The sing.
Paul
I love you guys, man.
Ladies and gentlemen.
You give it for free.
Shaggy, I know.
Was it me?
It wasn't me.
Was it me? Was it me? Was it me? You know?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Shabba. Shabba.
You remember
Red.
Glen Washington? You remember Glen Washington?
Glen
There's a
Washington.
song he sang. Said, I don't know if you remember this song. Bro, man, we have a lot of songs we can do.
Look at that, Lucky Dube.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Before I leave, I want to sing the song that I like most about Sanchez.
Yeah.
I've been around the world, seen a lot of pretty girls. Some wearing diamonds, some wearing pearls. Give me inspiration and motivation to wreck a new one and to sing a new one. Produce a hit song. Sanchez, we and around number one.
Ah.
Sing a nigga song.
We got it, we got this, we got this.
Burning Spear.
Burning Spear.
Black. Barack
Obama black. Marcus Garvey black.
I think so.
Felix Omolo black.
African walk, black.
Ah.
Black. But before we end, let's come to our brother.
Come.
Bro, where are you from?
King.
All right. So tomorrow we're gonna be here at the same place, same time. For now, bye bye. I love you all. Kata, kata, kata.
Tango Bango
Kata,
Glass.